I've been feeling so down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lou. So Blackpink released title posters and teaser videos for their new single, How You Like That, and Jennie had on this really unique, cool look. And I love Blackpink, so I had to recreate Jennie's look. If you're interested to see how I recreated Jennie's look, then please just keep watching. As usual, please give this video a thumbs up and please click on the subscribe button down below. You can also follow me on Instagram at LouTheToothFairy. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I've moisturized my face, so we're gonna go in with primer. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r primer.
Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what.
After primer, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And in a title poster, Jennie had very flawless skin, so we're gonna go for that. I got my wet beauty blender and let's blend.
Yeah, walk around like who you, yeah, just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking.
Next, we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm using the usual Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. Got a new one because the other one finished, so let's do this.
Faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know,
Okay, we're gonna blend this in. Okay, for the perfect poreless face, I'm gonna go in with the 3CE Studio Blur Filter Powder. This one is amazing at blurring away all your pores.
I'm just a lonely fucking you.
Okay, let's do our brows. I'm using the Innisfree Older Eyebrow Pencil as usual.
And colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know.
Okay, now that we're done with eyebrows, I think we can proceed with the eyes. So I'm priming my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. So it's gonna be very simple on the upper eyelid, like in the title poster. She barely had any eyeshadow in her upper lid. And the unique part about the look is the pink eyeshadow that's going all the way down here. So we're gonna try to recreate that. So for my upper eyelids, I think I'm gonna go in with Warm Taupe, just so it's not so intense. It's just gonna be a nice light brown that will complete the look, which will not take away from the bottom. So I'm not gonna bring out the brown all the way up here. It's just gonna be here, very low, so you can't really see it. I am honestly very excited for their new single and I can't wait to see it already. They've been promoting a lot on Instagram with all these cool looks, and I thought that Jennie had the coolest look and I loved it. So that's why I wanted to recreate the look on the title poster. I'm just gonna go on my upper eyelid and I'm gonna go all the way near my brow bone. To darken a little on the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber, but I'm gonna use a very light hand.
Blows, yeah, walk around like who you, yeah, there's something you get used to, yeah, go blame the June blows, yeah, it's just the June blows, yeah.
So for the under eye, in the title poster, it's quite like a reddish pink. So I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, and I'm going to use this pink. So it's gonna be all over the under eye, and it kind of like gradients all the way down here. So we're gonna try to do that. It's kind of like a triangle.
Now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations.
Sid and I, we love Blackpink, and actually they came to Malaysia last year, but we couldn't get the tickets, so we were very disappointed we couldn't go. But yeah, the next time they come, we're gonna be super on point with the tickets.
Self inside the juice, yeah.
So we've kind of got the triangular outline, but I'm just going to go in with a clean brush and just like blend out the harsh edges. But be very careful because you don't want to just blend everything out. It just doesn't look the same anymore. So the color has to be more intense here, and then it just gets lighter as it's coming down towards your nose. So we gotta make sure we do that. You gotta be very patient with this look because it's a lot of blending things out and going back in with the color. Okay, I think that looks good. I know it looks a bit scary right now, but it's okay, it's part of the look. It's gonna look better after I've put on the eyeliner. And in the title poster, Jennie had a very thin, tiny wing, so I'm going to do that. So for my eyeliner, I'm going in with my usual Kat Von D tattoo liner. I love this one. So we're gonna do a super thin and super short wing, just like Jennie has in the title poster. Okay, the wing looks good. So I'm gonna tightline my eye. I'm using the Maybelline Gigi Hadid eyeliner. And just on my lower eyelid, just the outer corner, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Okay, now that I've curled my lashes, I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So I think the look in the title poster, Jennie didn't have any falsies on. So I'm just gonna like put on a lot of mascara. So I'm gonna highlight my inner corner and kind of like bring it towards here. For the highlight, I'm going back into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use Vermeer. Using a smaller brush for precision. So in the title poster, Jennie didn't have very intense contour on. So I'm not gonna contour my face too much today. I'm just gonna like lightly contour just so that, you know, my face has more dimension. So for contour, I'm going in with my Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin shader. I highly recommend this because it is not super pigmented. So if you want a very light contour, you could do that. Or you could go over and over again for a more intense color, which is perfect for this look. I'm just gonna lightly do this. And to highlight my nose and my cheekbones, I'm going in with Beach Nectar from the Becca palette. And Jennie had on very intense highlight in the title poster, so let's do that. So there's no blush in this look because obviously there's already a lot going on here. So we're gonna skip blush and go with the lips. For the lips, Jennie had on like a very pretty big red color, so I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty lipstick in Freckle Fiesta. I think this is perfect. Okay, and to top it off, I'm gonna put on some gloss because it looked like she had a glossy lip. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Okay guys, so this is how I recreated Jennie's How You Like That makeup look. I think it turned out really well. I really like it. I've even put on a white off-shoulder top, which she had in the title poster. I'm super excited for next week because that's when Blackpink is releasing their new single, and I'm really looking forward to that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. I post a new video every Sunday, so please don't forget to stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine, no friends of mine.